Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem code in Kingshot. And this tutorial will walk you through how to redeem codes in Kingshot to claim rewards efficiently. First, make sure you've unlocked the gift code by progressing in the game, such as upgrading your town hall or completing a few early missions. Once you're ready, open your profile in the top left corner, then tap the settings cog in the bottom right of the profile menu. Here, you see the gift code button located just below notifications. Tap it, carefully enter your active code, and press redeem. If the code is valid, your rewards will appear immediately on screen and be added directly to your inventory. You can repeat this process for multiple codes, and it's a good idea to regularly check official Kingshot channels or websites for newly released codes, so you never miss out on free in-game items and bonuses. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.